Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to schedule your blog post. So for example, this is my post. In my previous videos I have already shown how to create post in WordPress. Now in the right side click on the setting and then click on the post. Here in the summary section you can see there are visibility and publish. So click on the publish and you can see here it's open a calendar. You can set time, date. So for example I will add this and the time PM and then click on the update. So you can see the post is updated. It will upload in your scheduled date and time. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.